What's the meaning of composite? Composite. Composite.
Composite. Composite. The term composite refers to something made up of multiple parts or elements. It describes a whole that is formed by combining or integrating diverse components. In the context of materials, composite materials are composed of two or more constituent materials with different physical or chemical properties that combine to create a new material with improved or unique characteristics. Composites are widely used in many fields, including aerospace, automotive, construction, and sports equipment, due to their high strength, durability, and lightweight properties. In summary, composite refers to a synergistic combination of parts or materials that create a superior or innovative whole.